In this video, I will show you how to quickly delete rows with empty cells in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here I have this Excel sheet where I have a few blank cells in some of the rows. Now what I want to do is to delete all the rows containing any empty cells. For example, this row. To do that, let's select the range of the cells first. Now press the Ctrl and G keys on the keyboard to bring up the Go to menu. Now click the Spatial button. Select the blanks option here. Click the OK button to close the window. As you can see, Excel has selected all the blank cells now. The next step is to delete all the rows containing these blank cells. To do that, press the Ctrl and minus keys on the keyboard. Now select the entire row option here to delete the rows instead of the cells. Click the OK button to close the window. As you can see, Excel has now removed all the rows containing any blank cells. Watch this video to learn how to copy only non-blank cells in Excel. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.